Are your hens laying fewer eggs than they used to? You feed them daily, you care for them, but the baskets still look half empty? You're not alone. Many farmers face this too, and the reason might surprise you. It's not laziness. It's nutrition. A few simple natural foods can completely transform your flock's egg production. Safely, affordably, and effectively. I've seen it myself. One simple addition turned my average layers into egg-laying machines within weeks. So stick around, because today I'm revealing 10 proven natural foods that can help your chickens lay more eggs, stay healthier, and produce better quality shells. But before we dive in, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing farmers check in from different countries. Whether you're in Africa, Asia, or anywhere else in the world, drop your location below and let's connect. 1. Leafy greens, nature's egg booster. Start with leafy greens like spinach, kale, morina leaves, and collard greens. They're loaded with calcium, vitamin A, and iron, which are essential for strong shells and healthy reproductive systems. Just a handful daily helps your hens stay energetic and keeps those egg shells firm and thick. Studies show that hens on a green-rich diet lay eggs with more nutrients and brighter yolks. 2. Carrots, for richer, brighter yolks. Carrots are a natural source of beta-carotene, the compound that gives yolks their golden orange glow. Simply grate or mash them into your hen's feed twice a week. You'll notice richer yolks, healthier hens, and stronger immune systems. And trust me, golden yolks sell faster at the market. 3. Fish meal or sardines, the protein powerhouse. Egg production demands protein, and fish meal or dried sardines deliver it perfectly. They're rich in amino acids like methionine and lysine, which directly influence egg size and laying frequency. Add 1 tablespoon per bird per day, or try black soldier fly larvae if you prefer an alternative. Either way, consistent protein equals consistent eggs. 4. Garlic, the natural antibiotic. Garlic isn't just for humans. It's a natural superfood for chickens too. It helps prevent internal parasites, boosts immunity, and even fights respiratory infections. Crush 1 or 2 cloves into a liter of water once a week. Healthy hens lay more eggs, and garlic keeps them strong from the inside out. 5. Sunflower seeds, the secret to shiny feathers and steady laying. Sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, selenium, and healthy fats. They support egg production during cold weather and help hens recover faster after molting. Mix a handful into their feed 3 times a week. Pro tip: use unroasted, unsalted seeds only. Your hens will love the crunch. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural poultry secrets. Every week, we share organic remedies, feed ideas, and tips that help farmers raise healthier, more productive flocks without expensive chemicals. Now let's continue, because the next few natural foods might surprise you. 6. Bananas, the natural stress reliever. Just like people, chickens get stressed from heat, new flock members, or handling. Bananas help calm them down naturally because they contain tryptophan, which supports steady laying and better moods. They're also rich in potassium and vitamin B6. Mash ripe bananas and mix them with feed occasionally, but feed in moderation to avoid a sticky coop floor. 7. Oats, the morning energy source. Oats provide slow-releasing energy that keeps chickens active throughout the day. When mixed with herbs like turmeric, ginger, or oregano, they become a powerful immune booster. Serve warm oatmeal in the morning, especially during colder months or after recovery, and you'll notice your hens more alert, active, and consistent in laying. 8. Crushed eggshells, recycle for stronger shells. Don't throw away those eggshells. They're pure calcium. Bake them for 10 minutes, crush them finely, and mix into feed once or twice a week. Calcium strengthens egg shells and helps muscle contractions during laying. Just remember, never feed raw shells, or your hens may start eating their own eggs. 9. Peas and lentils, protein from your garden. Peas and lentils are budget-friendly protein sources that help maintain consistent egg laying. Soak or boil them first to make digestion easier, then mix with feed or grains. Adding these legumes to your hens' diet 2 or 3 times a week gives steady results. Better stamina, better eggs, and healthier hens. 10. Apple cider vinegar, the gut health hero. Finally, the favorite of many poultry keepers. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Add 1 tablespoon per liter of water once or twice weekly. It supports gut bacteria, improves calcium absorption, reduces fat buildup, and strengthens immunity. Always use organic, unfiltered ACV with the mother. Within weeks, you'll see shinier feathers, brighter combs, and a visible rise in egg count. Bonus tip: environment still matters. Even with the best feed, your hens need clean water, good lighting, and low stress. Make sure their coop is ventilated, shaded, and calm. Feed plus environment equals perfect balance for maximum egg production. So there you have it, 10 natural foods to boost egg production and keep your hens thriving. Simple, safe, and science-backed. Remember, it's not just about feeding more, it's about feeding right. Now tell me again in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing poultry farmers unite from different parts of the world. And if you want to know which chicken breeds give the highest egg yield, click the video on your screen right now. It reveals the top 5 egg-laying breeds that can double your production even faster. I'll see you there. And until then, keep your flock happy, your eggs healthy, and your baskets full.